Act 1, Scene 4. A telegram from Rolf outside the Von Trapp mansion. Rolf walks up to the Von Trapp mansion. He picks up some stones and starts throwing them at Liesl's second-story window. Rolf quickly stops when he notices Brian's friends sitting outside. Caroline Franz leaves with the telegram. Rolf lingers in front of the mansion. When he thinks the coast is clear again, he goes back to throwing stones at Liesl's window. Rolf! Liesl sneaks out the front door, carefully opens it, and steps outside.
Why, hello. I came by to deliver a telegram. Aren't you supposed to be to bed by now?
Well, yes, don't tell. I miss you. You miss me?
Why, yes. I came to send you a telegram, so I can deliver it.
Oh, Rolf, that's a lovely thought. Why don't you right now? I'll start for you. Dear Lisa.
Dear Lisa, I'd like to be able to tell you how I feel about you. So, unfortunately, this fire is already so expensive.
Sincerely?
Cordially.
Cordially?
Liesl frowns. Rolf isn't doing too well.
Oh!
Liesl smiles. Good job, Rolf.
If only we didn't have to wait for someone to send Father a telegram. How do I know when I'll see you again?
I could come here with a telegram from Colonel Schneider. He's here from Berlin. I say too much. I'm worried about your father.
Oh, don't worry about Father. He's a big naval hero. He was even decorated by the Emperor.
Well then, I wasn't worried about his daughter, or so.
What?
Well, her baby.
Maria and Franz open the front door.
Who's out there?
Rolf, showing amazing backbone, runs away. Liesel, seeing the way back to the house is blocked, hides. The Fräuleins step outside.
Am I Fräulein?
Yep.
Yes. Fräulein Schmidt.
I'm telling you, there was someone out here. That's outside.
I don't understand what you're saying.
You all bag your grand things again.
Fräulein Schmidt sees Liesel hiding.
What on earth? I've lost my page. What on heaven's earth are you doing out here in this storm? You could catch a cold.
Our hero just happens to be passing by and sees that Liesel is in trouble and springs into action.
Well, I was just fetching some flowers. No luck, Liesel? No.
Oh, then I'll just have to sleep with that musty smell in the room. There is nothing wrong with the smell in your room.
Me? Well, get in there, child, before you catch a cold. There's a storm coming.
I will be up in a bit with some mothballs.
Mothballs? Now that's showing your age.
The Fräuleins go back inside and leave Liesel and our hero alone.
Inside this way. You're not going to tell Father, are you?
Our hero thinks for a minute, takes a deep breath.
No. If we hurry, we can get you out of these clothes and into your pajamas before he notices.
Our hero holds out her hand to Liesel, who takes it. They walk inside and head for Maria's room.